Hello dear crocheters, my name is Tatiana Metintseva and you're on my crochet channel. This will be a short promo video. Those who are subscribed to my channel and Etsy know that I have video tutorials available for channel sponsors and patterns for 3 wonderful bears, in overalls, in a dress and with lacy hat. Now I want to show you the third bunny. This is a bunny in pajamas with a lacy hat. These bears and bunnies are my most popular toys that I crochet and sell. The toy is made as simple as possible, but I would still classify it as an average level of complexity. The height of the bunny is 25 to 27 centimeters or about 10 inches, naturally provided that the same yarn and hook are used as well as the crocheting density. By the way, I always provide all the information about the toys, as well as the list of necessary materials at the beginning of the video and on the Etsy platform in the photo of the screenshot from the PDF file. Features of the bunny in pajamas with lacy hat. The arms and legs are crocheted to the body of the bunny, not sewn on. The head, ears and ties on the slippers are sewn on. The bunny has such beautiful, soft, airy and lacy ears, which are crocheted using a special technique of alternating loops. By the way, I show how to sew on the ears so that they look more voluminous. It looks like when girls style their hair and make a voluminous hairstyle. The bunny's legs and muzzle are tightened to give the bunny a more beautiful appearance. So far, I don't plan to make a video tutorial for sponsors for this bunny. But if these and other promo videos accumulate enough requests from you in the form of comments, then I will definitely make a video tutorial, but now only a pattern. The cost of the pattern for such a bunny in the pajamas is now about $5 with a discount. I'll leave a link to the pattern in the description under the video, as well as in the pinned comment. I want to thank everyone who left comments here or a review on Etsy, subscribed, bought the pattern. Your finished toys are a great happiness and joy for me that my work is interesting to such a large audience. I would never have thought, but over the past year, since the launch of the Metintseva toy store, my patterns will become interesting to crocheters all over the world. I plan to continue to please my fans with new toys and very soon expect a new free full tutorial on the channel for an Easter kit, which includes a bunny, Easter cake, kulich, and a basket with eggs. Best wishes and see you soon!